This may be my most rewarding project yet. I picked up 13 of these glass panels and some furniture at auction for $36. Like most things I buy, I had no idea what to do with them. I don't think any of these builds would be as much fun if I did. Now, knowing firsthand how demeaning and depressing cubicle farms are, I set about planning something natural and full of life. And of course it has to be a greenhouse. This isn't a how-to, and I've skipped some of the build, but it's simple enough that you don't need me to tell you how it's done. Just drop me a question in the comments if you have one. I'll be happy to talk to you about it. Though there's lots of bad going on in the world right now, I have to say that I absolutely love working from home. I hope you're safe and enjoying your time as best you can. I won't ruin the rest of this video by talking over it, so enjoy and take care.